Okay, I salute everybody today, the number 22 day inside the month of June 2021. So, as usual, you join me, press the share button. I just come with some very important operation sunshine of the kidnapping of the six delegates for inside Dian division under Equality subdivision where they adopt those six delegates them. Today I don't count some Operation Sunshine, the people that were behind the kidnapping and the murder of one of those delegates them and where they see plan for kill all the rest. So I come for make the people for inside the Kura, Equality subdivision for know the true enemy and for help the elites them for know the reality and which will happen on ground. So as usual, join me press your share button so that we will fit deliver the information. It will go viral and many people will know which way it is. That's the most important thing. But as usual, we wanna know before one starts any live broadcast, we must play our beautiful anthem or one and indivisible Cameroon. Yeah. So before we start anything, so as usual, if you show me any the only love and wait to ask for you. Now for wait before you want comment, press share button. Very, very important. I thank you. Yes, thank you very much. Today live broadcast, I want to say before I end this live broadcast, me at least I get 1,000 shares. So when I go take down a hand with a press share button, press for any place, press share, invite. Yes, but the most important thing I want and I share. Yes, yesterday I been doing my live broadcast of the adoption, the kidnapping of the six delegate them. I be telling myself, I be promising myself, I go bring the people that were behind the whole this thing, their names, their picture, and everything about them. I be promising that one. Say una country man dey sleep. Yes. So I don't go gather all my information, my fact findings to say and say, make these terrorists them, make una know their face. Make the people for inside a quality subdivision, make they know who be the real enemy, the seeds, the one that they behind that vegetable, the chop am for background, that bad people. Today una go see them. Most of una go surprise. Most of una know them, una go get shocked for una skin. Hey, the ground, hey, the ground. But those are the people. So wait to wait another for me. I go press your share button. I go first play the audio where the communication between the person and the terrorist Tenkobo, where you go do that act. And the people they were the engineer, the sponsor Tenko, when I just sponsor Tenko, and I go tell a little background story of the situation. Before you see Tenko will run from Ike video, will play with it because it be free machine. When I press on the share button, may I go for the audio as you normal for play for my country for them so that make una get the audio and then we go talk. So as you join me, press your share button. Very, very important. Yes. Now press share. Now press share.
Yeah, General. Focus the doctor. Yeah, focus. Yeah. The thing I say, when I don't forget to make that audios because before I make that audio, so La Republic go east for the follow now for back because those still get confidence say the people they did. You understand? Now the tactics after that audio. Because if I make and they know say they around, they go east the search for now. But if they make and they know say they know they around, that's how they go find now seriously. Now, don't forget that audio be very important, my brother. Say again? Yes. Yes, and then when I know over waste time, that those people I beg. Because it could be retarded now for the move. Now get to the move. Now no get time for the waste time without people there, nothing worker. Money for chop, no day, all that kind of thing. When I do fast, La Roti Bobo. Hey, who say J Massa? Me, my ear voice, Massa.
Now press my share button.
Feel Massa. But boy, Massa, I can feel the up.
Okay, I don't need for even play this audio too much because when I don't get Roti Bobo in name na Patrick, of course. Patrick na pikin for Bekora Barombi, born and bred Bekora pikin. Na in that when the whole thing be start inside Bekora begin. I want to make una to small, so I understand. Bekora begin at 2 terrorist camp under one village. Bibi Ruba Eko Okole and this other guy, don't forget that name himself. They be a general from inside. Okole and Okole control all the camp. They be get 2 camp. They be control inside Bekora. So automatically, when all things start to go in place, and I can be the overall, but I think about being a rat. Think about a small picking. Who be know who think about? Yes, think about a picking. So at that time, you know, the temple is all day around, you do can't thing there, go around people for road, do things there. So they up to the extent where some issue be happen where one of their so-called boss for the terrorist camp for this in Bekora, Barombi, some guy be the other guy 2,000 francs. Only 2,000. So he asked that boy, that boy give him when that petit fait test away ground. I never gave me 2,000 for you. What did that boy do? That boy broke gun. Bah! Shoot that petit fait because of 2,000. Kill him. I mean, say end that young man in life because of 2,000 francs. He said the boss for and by the control. Now he get law. When he talk, he don't talk. So if he end that petit fait life because of 2,000 francs, that petit fait the OE. So if he make people be vexed. So he can be called, he can give order say before he want come, make the compromise that very boy where he kill other man because of 2,000 francs. They actually say how much one granite that backbow bullet. They say 2,000. Then you waste 2,000 for his skin. You kill him 2,000. So they be booty take knife to choke him all his skin to choke him. He die. They forget about it. So now from there we look and say no, Bekora camp as a whole, Bekora camp be one of the highest tourist camp where everybody thief because most of Bekora begin an armed robber. They brought the use of the thief banga, some kind of things there. So from there, get to bring it to idea. I was one of the people bring that idea. I said, come on, dissolve other dirty for down because we need to see that what the only thief, the inflict pain, rape, do things there. Banga smoke at them. Now for the people vex, dissolve that camp from Bekora. Say, make all in the camp for there is no amber camp again for Bekora. Now for they will take Kobo, run. Come on, go your own side. He said, no fit beef on that cake, it's deny. Say, no fit camp. Because they will eat the benefit. If they for that, now for they ready. Some few people there for operate because we're watching Bobo when na Patrick. When I tell 10 kobo, say 10 kobo, I want to make beef for Bekora because you want to use 10 kobo for inflict pain for the people that on ground. So now for the way 10 kobo come out, say you want to be on your own, but they can be lucky one first time, you get a key, now people will back. I think you say, may forget about the petit frame, no any life. Because for no, if it doesn't make the feeling we eat the food. We know for we abex for behalf of the living. But we know say this food will get turn to the level where it did today. So press the share button. Now I want to show now the person where it is sponsor 10 kobo in name. I don't tell my name for here. I want to show now a picture that will tell now a brief story about this young man. I will tell now who be this young man and wait where they play where they. Now the boy this, now the man they make that call where say the rotten bobo, so rotten bobo. Now he first did the terrorists where he murder that poor innocent delegate where they can do site for development for pool electric for make us make electricity other area they get light. Now the sponsor of this. If it there London, it don't. If I mean, be there Germany for London, from Germany I don't come London. Una pressure. I want to show most of the picture of the moon say. Now in that, I want the people that for a condo because mona no say una the suffer today. Now una picking suffer na in this. That is a terrorist. Now he face that. Now looking fine. Now the suffer now. All chief, one chief Nyando na chief wait take go be kill am. Now the man pay make they kill that papa because of so they get issue with. I want to see the face. Like terrorist is that. So my country people there, this petit frère, I don't know play where he has there. I want direct people there for they or Alex away. Maybe they don't know their house or you don't know their house. If papa has the opposite primary school, Bekora because Bekora get group 1 and 2. That handball court where they play handball. Opposite that Carabao house today, where some white where they tie some. Now for Papa Papa grave that where they bury Papa. Now for their compound that, their compound that. His small sister, in name now Elizabeth Mary. If don't work for Community Council, he did now for a boya. Presently now, as I'm here when I talk so today, he did now Elizabeth Mary. He don't work for Community Council now. His small sister that. Then he grandson they around. He grandson they Motengene. The big sister them Motengene. Then he don't move all his small brother them out of Cameroon. No one of them for the country again. The last time we became buried na mami for Ekono Titi, and now go right for na compound. Since when you, Patrick, you dey pay, make they go keep with their family there. We do go after your family. You get family for ground here, and from today you know your family no travel. We go block everything about it. They will stay in this country. You know go no play. We go put an eye on them, a spotlight on them. That's the truth. We mean business to tell you. You feel see how people be wicked by people that watch me. Those are the type of people where we, the young people that will grow up, or be look them say, they don't travel abroad. They don't be for some people that help the future of the picking them in camp to Lord. But what did they do? They turn for food the picking them, send them and they take weapons for go fight. The very guy, before I forget, they be lucky for Yaoundé, for University of Yaoundé. He run. When they be moving, because of atrocity where he be doing, he fled. He travel abroad. Now, the only way where if you pay the youth for this country and for pay the youth for inside Bekura, now for food they picking them, they go carry gun for them and they behead people on the name of independence. When there is no independence, and until when we go after all kind of people that they benefit, there will not be any peace. Now, when I look this very man, he there for Zion County, now they control all money they give. Millions upon millions they make them. Now, this kind of money the benefit. He no talk anything about peace. He no engage for anything about peace. He talk now on violence. You know, yes, actually, when they get Tenkobo, make Tenkobo they finish that delegate them. They make they pretend like say they see they alive. So that they go to work a place to play because Tenkobo is strategy and security. I want to tell you one like, very vital information. I mean, for Bekurana, be very careful. Tenkobo now they plug it and today and security. The one go hit Bekurana so that may they convince the security there when they find them. Say they don't leave people they around Bekurana. We know they around it. That is the strategy. I want to put them very, 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 very fast. He go down how I get the picture then. Rotting boy be small picking. You be small ground. All that thing that they go for bougie so I just look at the laugh. When they go to tiki people that papa their mommy them, catch small girl and kill them, catch small brother and kill them. They were not gonna lie. What the kill was kill us. Man, one wicked so. So the only way to where this party, if you pay the youth them. That for instigate them with violence, make them go since their life. My brother, when I look at them very well, those are the type of people the way we will be go look and say, no, at least the grand friend don't travel, the grand friend don't go overs. At least there was some people they don't be educated when they tell the youth them when they grow up in a nice way. Now, if we see picking of 10, 15 years old, the man no convince me go enter bush carry gun. He go convince him and he go yeah. Because wait, we be look up to the son of our granddad. But all which they feel do now inflict pain. Also, I want to make the people that Bekura, who now they suffer today, now man the people that suffer. Now when I begin, that Bekura begin. But I want to tell you, say Peter, Patrick, me I be Balondo, you be Bekura. That land our land. Now Balondo be the biggest tribe for the inside the Equality subdivision. Akomona will tribe for lion. You be picking. But I want to put spotlight for your skin. After the live book, we go publish the picture. And all 8 where the son of your family for down here will cut all link for your family for down here. And your sister them, they will put eye for them. And when you play, we will start burn down the house. Maybe I tell you fine, maybe yeah. You know the monopoly over violence. We will start to for your own family because wait, that very delegate want to murder them. The man in own family. He get picking them, he get woman, he get relative. Una end in future just like that because of security. Una get within that chief Kombe that in Mogo una kill for on turn number 2 he for go for Dora una kill he. The man in family pain a 10 we go hold man kill him. How many people 10 we don't kill him? It caused by this ground. So today I just come for this Operation Sunshine for God let the people better understand the true evil. And the people there behind the murder, the kidnapping of those delegates there, made authority take note that they face that. We go research, take all their family. put an eye on them. No man dey shake. Any least mistake for that day, or use your family to replace the other person, you don't go down. You get 2 steps for Cameroon here too. And all they are not paid all the day. You go doubt them. They want to say, Amber no get secret. 10 people want ask you say, how that audio way make call he come for my phone? You need to ask yourself that question. For tell you say you be small pikin. Even you Patrick, for tell you say you be small pikin. The evil that they do, it come after una. So today, my people, I don't carry all my research, my investigation, my everything, put all my life, everything for ground for society, make the result come out. This is the person. Where they behind all that thing, now the support fund, now the send up even though to know. Now he send the money, now they sponsor them. Now they are sponsor that. Think about the sponsor that. Now Patrick. We'll post all a picture, everything, all related to the day. So my people, I just come out and have vital information. More than know the face of the terrorist where they do that act. I thank you very much. So that is the reality. We the Anglophone population, need to ask ourselves until when we stand up to start end these things before peace will come for this country. Because this kind of person will benefit. If we are here still waiting to say, now we don't kill we all. We know why use that language. Because of the financial support when they be send for them for America, when they do fundraising, if you don't cut, they be get missed, they go take and make money. So now when they do that video, they be feel pain and the reality on ground. That is why they eat gas up if they don't do it better job. They pay him, may do all those things. They pay them, say, man, nothing, no start. Those are the people that they suffer. The people that say go to the sub where they go and say they diaspora and are only picking for Bikura. So now please say waiting. The enemy then are inside house. No be French man, no be any man. Now Francophone boy that no, now Anglophone boy they pay the brothers they go kill the another Anglophone brother. Then. That is the reality. That is the fact. Like all the Ikeku and the rest, that is the reality. So now, I will go now for the second message proper way. I get a message for the exam of what I've been talking today. Yesterday, I used a statement say, and why are the most used statement say this? So, majority of our elites them they support Amber. Many people don't understand why I talk so. For support Amber, they in many ways. You know, must give money. For say don't give Amber money. Your silence there when she don't quiet. He pass money where you give Amber. Where me say wait you support Amber. That's not what I mean. Because the elites them, they don't she don't quiet. Their silentness alone, now don't pull we for the chaos all day today. That is why at the talk severity, most of the elites that they support Amber. Now the reason that why they tell una because wait. Some of them they give money, some of them only on their quietness, now the highest weapon we don't give Amber priority for destroy our country today. Now, I want to ask you to do an elitism today that watch me. That one that the one can get position for Cameroon government, for can do an election them. Una the come for we, una the come for our villages them. Would be very happy. Would you welcome una get info, una get power. Una come out, the good power. So una go here when they go represent we. Una the go should know where now. The only thing we will ask una for more pay we back. Now for present now una go show some be good leader now by protecting your people. This is the time to give back what I will be given for you. Do not ask you much. They never ask you anything. Just a facility, you be keep quiet. If you feel come out, you go convince people, may they vote for you. They give you vote. Then why you not use their very voice for convince the very population to tell them say you dead behind them anything stop. But most of them are don't she don't better hotel them. Una the she don't get kind areas and kind millions and kind things that they benefit in their life. Why are people are dying every day? I want to ask una elix them. The only thing we not deserve from we una want to win our vote. Now our vote be important for una now. Now our vote when election don't reach una will come for that very ground. For us to vote for una. But today, where people are dying, there are corpses every day for street. People they don't see their life every day. What are you people doing? Your silentness alone is a weapon where Amber use them against the beginning. I want to ask you a question today. You like an elite, where you be the camp for village, or the glad for you, the dance for you, to where you pound from, salon you wash your motor free of charge. They will say, Ellie, you the camp for village, no money to go bush. That day, all money she done for us. Say, no, we're bad the camp. we dey worship una like Jesus Christ. Today, when I watch me today, na the year, that way Amber start, una she don quiet. Obi the belief for una be the tell we say my pikin dem, una go to pay the play for community work, una dey hesitate, we dey go do am immediately. But today, that way Amber start, una leave diaspora, convince the pikin dem, poor pikin dem, young pikin dem like we for the age of how many 20, 17 years, 19 years old. I want to ask you something, my people. When diaspora be the start to manipulate una pikin dem, instigate them, convince them, propaganda, lies telling, tear the pikin dem say for them, go carry gun for bush, for go kill people, it be the best option. No of una Elix, una never ever talk anything, una she don quiet. When it means say your silentness alone, it means say wetin, that pikin get up go carry that gun, and any matter person if they carry that gun go for bush, he go carry that gun because wetin, at that time the age of pikin of 15 years, at my age, we never think nothing, we never know nothing like marginalization, we never get no idea, no get no what to even mean of that. But una be able to go book, una don position them, mayor, parliamentarian, senator, them, governor, them, ministers. For inside Indian division and all the rest division them, una be understand the reality, but una she don't quiet. Una quietness, it be make Amber be feel radicalized because of good quality. Una be she don't quiet. That is the highest weapon una be doing. The highest mistake una be doing. Because if una go even stand up for 1 minute, just say Peter, Paul, Clovis, also una go down for bush, una go die. Una no ever try am. Who for listen for una? That is the truth. But that way, the diaspora started to make all kind of noise. No man no attack them. All man she don't quiet. The hope of the since we were early them too, where they go position the fish she don't quiet. It means say we get right to go carry that gun for bush. We get right to kill people. Because they be talk nothing. So from there, we be fail. Just una quiet name and support Amber. Because una go even talk. At least if we understand, we will understand. Say no. Today, most of them protect una position them. We know, we understand. Most of them get property them on ground. We understand. Me, I know all these things them. When I struggle for protect the property them for ground, we understand. Say, if you don't take 20 million from your big house, so she know what I look at for 1 day. When I get property, when I get on a career for protect them, we never deny. We will never deny. But you can do something. Look out for you, Eli, for carrying money give for Amber, and person where she don't quiet. That person where she don't quiet. It be worse than that person will give Amber money. That is the truth. Because if you give Amber money for back you castigate, you struggle for the way the white private money don't give. That is the reality. But for you to give Amber money, it don't make nothing. I prefer say you give Amber money, 500,000 may take for bush, than say wait she don't quiet. Because there is a statement, the world will not be destroyed by people who are doing evil, but the world will be destroyed by people who know that this thing is evil, then they stay quiet. Those are the worst people. Una worst past Amber. Una silentness alone is worst past Amber. That is the reality. That is the truth, my people. We need to wake up, my elders. That is why at the message of una support Amber. I don't mean say una go do some kind of thing. No, una silentness alone with northwest and southwest, it is too much. We understand all these things then. Say una protect all the property they want to tell una. We know. But there is a way out of it. Okay, look like countryman. I don't talk say may you Elik, you come out and do video. I don't talk say may you Elik, you do so. I understand. But there are things that we can do behind the scene when no man no go understand. Reason why when me and I want to talk them today for meeting and say wait, we don't write on a letter, we don't beg una, we don't write for request, we don't write appeal, we don't beg una. Nothing is done. Now only particular few people there. The rest she don't quiet. Are you not from Jan division? No be na your people. These people they do na waiting for una. They vote una. Una go she don't enjoy una life. Una left them in suffering. But tomorrow election come, una go can amoka for ground, but they can't vote for una. So I want to ask you, Eddie, today to watch me today. The only thing will be important for you that the people they have vote. Okay, what if I don't kill other people them today? Una go who go vote una? Now ghost and stone go vote una. How when daily be talk? My people. Why would be wicked? Now, I want to send this one out there again for our exam. They picking there for DDR Center, where they command Jan division, they don't tire. We don't talk say, make our exam, they give we support. We need to work in collaboration. We need to ask someone to give them money. You need to ask someone to give them a team. Just a little support. Amber don't radicalize our people send for bush now. Their life they don't become expendable now. We prefer back to go back to that bush. More must make ultimate start. We want make Mercedes start and Pamo. All access for inside Janme start. We be prepared. All way to need them for now. Now only una support, una love, una attention. That is all the little support we need them for now. We are prepared for go back. We not talk say me you early to go. We not talk say me you say your picky. We will be prepared for going back for them. The boys they are prepared to go back on the field for end this thing. I want make una more understand severity. Now people who will make una fear Amber. Say Amber they know, but Amber don't die. Today they can't tell you severity. They very much because they fear Amber. He don't tell you say no fear Amber. Amber na noise now. Now money they make am for bush. So I want our elders make they stand up. Una say call una self una come to agreement. My number, I get my number. Una call me. But no come una call una self. Those people did the center. They need not only small top up credit. They need small weighty mobile phone. They need things for background. We need for do. We don't need no money. We need to get communication on ground. We need to get communication on ground. When anytime we want to take their activity, we get the information. My brothers and my elders, we are prepared to go back on ground. We want to stop. We want to stop all to start up. We know all their conscience. We know all their benefit. We are prepared to give our life back for what we don't spoil. We be prepared for wipe all them from 10 kobo. I don't see 3 I boy them 3 for inside Jam 3. They don't hold their own Jam people captive 3 I boy. It's a disgrace and shame for the Alex there. It's a disgrace. Ikeku 10 kobo stone because they mix all with a baron. 3 I people arata them. My dear Alex there. But papa there. Una take una phone sakora picking the Fujidi center. People over the center with the wait for integration. There is no job. We are not doing nothing there. We want to go back to field. We go make our economy may stop. Una give we a contract. Una give that boy a contract. Even at 1 6 months, una make see this and promote start. Una go see the result. That is the truth. They una give Nigerian nation cheating the way they want that for una. Una go see the result. That is the reality. There are things that being done behind the scene where people already know. The reason why I tell us it's not too much for now. Doing all right in a kind letter, there is nothing. There is not encouragement. There is not just don't quiet. They die every day. People they suffer every day. I mean they cry every day for the boy the atrocities. They are making their money. Tenko will never give up. Ike will never surrender. Ike will not Nigeria man. Petit frère, I know it, Massa. Don't be kind guys for Nigeria. Kind motor they get. How many women get for Nigeria? For Cameroon, how many? When I know how the boys they cry for their mob, they confess how we go treat them for Nigeria, abandon the wrong camp. Take Nigeria boys, America guide you. My brothers them, my elders them, we will be prepared for go back for ground. More wipe all the boys them. We beg, we beg. We beg. We know how we go. We will go. We will go. We agree what we want. We agree what we want. We never ask una say we do anything. Una see Lebi Alem don't call so. Una feel say Lebi Alem corner by magic. Una feel say Lebi Alem we begin at the highest place where Amber strong for the strong of Amber. Only they wipe Ayeke. They will wipe other people. They don't know how they wipe them. There are things that they other people do, and they don't ever talk for me. That no one day. That is the truth. The reason why they tell us to talk about it, we not to do nothing. We don't talk for behind the scene. There is no action. We need action. Time don't pass. The romantic terrorists inside bush. Time don't pass. You know what they do for make us say Lebi Alem to do so. Ask me the tell now. Me I go Lebi Alem. You know what he pass behind. You don't get idea. But we not talk for media. Now holding Oliver Lekiaka. Small Oliver, you know, if you ordinary audio now, you do for inside cave. And no time of now, no wipe. My brother there. We know say the boy, they will know all their arrangement there. How do I go make their day she? We know say from do water to do water. They can't drink water for here. We don't need to go far. We don't need for jazz down for water. We wait the American enter. Wipe all to the tram, go we. That is the rescue. That's the reality. My elders them. The ex-combatant them, they call when I say, they beg. They be prepared for go back for Indian, for go fight back for end this thing. They want go back for inside bush. Always will need them, now little support. Do not talk say May you Elix, you give them money. They never ask you million. They don't need no money, but they need now una supporter, una there behind them. Look at me, I tell now, those boys, they out of the day for una disposal now. Make me I tell you the truth. I'm gonna be one use them. For be an instrument for destroy una now. Now una turn for use that very boy them back as an instrument for build the country. For build the statehood back for our Indian division. That is the reality. Una reverse way to where Amabi don't do and back. Those boys the day for una keeping. The day available. But una they run away from them. Una they forget that they shit down for our own zone. You shit down for Francophone zone. You enjoy yourself for Kankan hotel. They give you meal job. There are people that die. You are not a good leader. A good leader they been there for front, put there for back. A good leader they protect his own. But what you get for one for Indian, una instead run for back. Una push the people that made it go die or finish. What you don't do. If you elite, you feel convinced the people that made a vote for us and tell una, same you feel make communication on ground. We need to make the ground make hot for the boys them. We tell them so we are not joking. We mean business. We need make Pamo see this in work. You know me saying the general manager for Pamo get for the struggle. You know me the general manager for CDC get for the struggle. No, the elites them. Those things are our resources. Now the responsibility. But this speaking they ask us, they ask them to say no. They want more una use them back as an instrument for build this country. For what more wipe other things for women the enemy. Tiam, there are two things involved. We know some begin to give up, but so I don't ever give up. But we just tell them say petit frère, if you not drop, they drop you. End of discussion. Listen, I ask the question say when an evil man for pray, there's something the way I say I pray for God. Listen, nobody that ought you to pray. You know the pray waiting. So you pray for God, so waiting. If you start praising, may evil man change. It takes 7 years for that man to do evil may change. You know how many souls will go travel down that 7 years before it change. You know there's certain things that you don't need to pray for. We don't need to go in action. We don't need to do an action. We don't need to pray. You pray for terrorists, say may change her. Go pray for nothing tomorrow. When God will give you the sense of listening and understand, say if you take the guns, go where that became may end. They just say pray for waiting. End of discussion. We will not be interested for dialogue. Wait to our point and say wait, one go on ground, go walk wait to go ground, go one time, and they will not wipe all the food them. Then that time, enemy one go dialogue for side to one for Washington, no, one for London, no. It concern for so it concern na he. We will not need dialogue. Wait we will need enough work on ground. Forget about the diaspora. One na work on ground and una support. Una contact with for behind. We go talk am. You know go for the scene. Una know very well say anything una call me talk am. It end between me and una. Una no fine. Wait till una problem. Una give the people they go ahead. No end auditing them. Okay, one ask una the people maybe I know what they do am. Una never hear for me that's on the answer na no. But maybe I let now school do they go on. Bank do they be broken. All things can do they go on. Market do they go on. All things they go on. Even the people say for ex combat and they did asset and the best they go after it will be 1 week, 2 weeks. Sleep there for us, enjoy come on camera because of waiting. Because of say waiting, the elites they work with them behind the scene. No matter what they do. We fit do and do the same. We can do it. We are not say be very easy. Why will be wicked for ourselves? So today is a wake-up call for our elites. They say they picking them, they be willing. Do not talk to me saying they are picking. Those very boys as I tell when I secret, I'm gonna be used them, may they be expendable now. For destroy the population now. Now time this for use that very picking them back. For reverse them because they be prepared to be up their area. Just give them a contract. Say, okay, we're there for you now. We'll give you 6 months or 1 year. We'll make promotion this may start work. You put them on small wages. We'll give them the necessary equipment the way they. 1 year time, other companies start work. That's the life story. Communication that time, they need mobile phone, they need things them. When they get communication on ground. We need to make the whole Indian division be a black leg. So that even Amber Boy, the peace, his shadow will be in a black leg for you. You know, get no way for sleep. He want peace, they say the peace now. That is how we will reverse this thing. Peace will come automatically. The people, they need we. We need a communication on ground. Elites, they una go for work. Una start take una phone from chief. Call ya mayor. Call ya parliamentarian. Call ya ministers. Because we get minister them today, we get SDO them, we get governor, we get senator them inside Indian. What are you guys doing? We get minister them inside Indian. What una dey do? Una call una self together. Una talk with una self. Una take a decision, maybe concrete. Then una tell we. We are not go call una tell we that thing don't want that. We be prepared. We go tell una what you want to say. We go easy our job to wipe away that food them. Because they cannot ever stand up. That's the truth. They not fit. Highest way be thankful for God bless you. He will really run go and will ever come out the rest of your life. And any people will survive them. I see year na year when the thing don't start, 2, 3 don't sleep. They go understand say people not there for joke. During that time we get for investigate, sensitize the population, make they become the real black leg. When they see amber shadow, just report them. Make communication on ground. The ground be hot for them. We be prepared. We have the strategy. We get the strength. We want now the boy they are alive. Nobody not alive. I don't see no reason why they deny. They are alive. We go make a better play be fine. If we not do and so, we live for Amber for the next 100 years. That is the truth. God will never drop their gun. They will make their money. So I want to make the Elic they know very well. If you see and say you Elic, Peter, Mr. A, the work with Amber. You don't need for involve. You forget about what you say go say you. Work you want. Because you want the work you want. But not only want the work, it get interest on ground. It don't plant them on ground. That is how you Elics, I believe say, when you come out early for Kumbe Barondo, you go inside Kumbe, you get communication on ground with the people there. That way Amber want to make any small move they don't make them. We don't say no, they come today. We just go wait them for that small water they can pass that road. Any road where they you use and close the road. Any road use and close the road. You don't say go, you don't bat. You don't get chance to put it for road. You go buy their head go. Don't forget those speaking there, they don't be one of them, no all consult. Military man, nothing know that consult them. They need the help for the picking there for the center. For tell and say, pa, if you go for the water, so that boy for the water, more take the consult. We'll take the consult, see the consult, so you see the product, so more no go no product for you for 2 days. That food will pass. No need for stress, we just enter. Wait till we just clean them. We just turn soft work, but they sleep, we just turn go. Case end. That's what they work day on ground. So I just come today to tell our elders and to give you the vital sunshine. Wait. We are tired. We are not doing anything. Those boys do anything to the art center. They wait for integration. No, we wait for integration. We get resources there for this thing. For 1 year, see this is start work up and more. They will recover all that thing there for 2-3 months. 2-3 months, all those things they be recovered. That's the truth. We rush it up for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. Okay, so there 5 years again, say one way make 10 go drop it gone before most works. This is the work. You need to go, so we need for YP. By made the elites them. Made the begin also know what elites there for our back. What elites support we. Made they wipe all that boys and back to ground. So the information that can give you for tell you say waiting. Make una don't misquote my word. Una silentness alone the kiwi. Una quietness alone the kiwi. It kill the population. Let me say waiting. Now the worst thing that way if Alex Frida don't tell una. As you should don't quiet. You don't give Amber power. You don't support Amber. Okay, tell me why you don't quiet. You get tell me why we are mob she don't quiet. The very mob where they use her for convince people they made a vote. Look at me, a leader. Now once see the leader for Anglophone zone there. Now once say you be leader. Now any man get for prove say me, I'm the leader for this some division. But I'm making and get the powers. You get the right. You are a leader. Now you own that town. Mayor. Now you own that town. If you mention the own that for that place, that you get them. Now your area, you decide what you do. Now we know true leader. Now we know true leader. Leader they been for front. The set example. Leader na mawe it cover people then so take all shock. Take all shock. Make people they be free. They like how mommy for day. When see card one pass, if you to walk all begin enter inside cover them. That is a leader because if you protect those small picking for them. Mommy don't understand picking for them. You don't see anytime we carry one come see mommy for me. So it open eye. We say wait, mean no man look at touch picking them because they're priority. So you leader, your priority. You didn't matter mommy foul. Then you cover other people there. But you did allow them kite the carry one after the other. One who did that kite? Now Amber terrorism for bush. One after the other. You should don't quite rub your hand. Because you're there for Yaoundé, they enjoy your life. You're there for good hotel. It's a disgrace. It's a shame. You're not a leader. You are a fool. You're not a leader. You are a coward. You are not a leader. You be, I don't know how to define you. Now this one we need una. We don't need nothing from una. We need una support now. Now they know be real leader. More end this mafia. More end this nonsense. You don't too much. How long will continue for this suffer? How long? How long? For small rata then? Ordinary 10 kobo. What mama? Che taga ton futambo. Ordinary 10 kobo ikeku. Ikeku na no papa. Ikeku na who? Ikeku where the year gone run around. People they go to skid like can't give money go be in Nigeria. Who be 10 kobo? That's where una give information for you go she don't go hide to see two police. Pam, you should I run go evil bush. Certified. Who be 10 kobo? Papa them, we need the support. Make una create our own group too for ground. More wage that war between the terrorists and the civilian, the more who go winner. We be prepared with necessary equipment. More see who be who. More see that Amber boy mami Bonnie fine. We stand up for ground. We see the Amber fighter. It's the fighter now. More see how I go stand up. More see how I go stand up. More see how I go survive. He go find chop for chopping no go see. He go find water for drinking no go see. We are prepared. How people they suffer, massa? Now can I style this? For my ear the rest, I go and call my ear, they cry every day for my ear. So I'm going to cry all the time, come off with your eye. You know how it pains, not the way you already enjoy. You want to put on some also recognize you my picking camp. He goes out to tell you can't for the ground. So once they bring the picking, say, see money time, the picking can't die now. I go to condo. Say the one day so they died, they don't give me 100 to buy paracet. Because of say waiting, Amber will get all the resources they feel enjoy themselves. They feel live a good life. We live some small arata them. Some small shit no white blazer. We don't really crash your name. A whole you parliamentarian. Who be irritator? If you tire less for you, but you should don't like coward. You should don't be coward. You allow some small arata convince your youth against you, you rub your hand. Are you not that stupid? Let us be sincere. Let us face the reality. I don't tell you my mind. We are prepared. Yes. The people make cancan noise. They talk cancan talk, they talk. That one not concern me. Which one I need? I believe in action on ground. Not that noise on Facebook. That one they make that noise with the diaspora. And know their level for ground. Some secret for snake na snake. They use now worm for catch fish. Na lie? Now worm the catch fish. You know if you use stone to throw water, say they catch fish, fish go run. Now worm the catch fish. That way you want to tam, fish must chop that worm. Now more, see must catch chopper. That is how they begin to roast surrender. We get millions of them. It's like the answer to flop. They are just waiting, doing nothing. The one go end this thing for them. Maybe they live in free. We need, and for CDC for start work, we need security. But for start work, we need security. The security need for start. Those boys are very, very willing to mount that security. But they say thought is like boxing, but the hand shot. We need the necessary support for the elixir. We say more end auditing. I give una if you want over plenty, we not say after work not finish for ground, we need to talk to the population. They more say highest should be 1 year. What be 1 year? 6 months. More on 6 months program. All the beginning 6 months program. So why achieve this? Most some people will enter for bush again. All in the end, all thing come normal 6 months. My elixir. Please. When I wake up for sleep. I talk today that because of waiting. As I tell her earlier. People don't write kind letter for una, she don't quiet. That is what we bring up for the well, for me. And it need to go only for Bamuso, only for Ndian. It go for all the subdivision them. All of inside Northern and Southwest. And they ever use an example like Cambe. Cambe not for the Anglophone zone. Now that's an extra place. Cambe be talk say if any picking not drop it gun, they drop it, they wipe the picking the all they want to hit. So when they think they for corner. It be who? It be you know value in life. I'm not value in life because of remember bush. Now for why the thing may go as you know value in life where he catch you, sorry you. That's the truth. If that believe they see me, no sorry. So me not sorry me no man. Now 2 tips, but if you drop, you not drop, you go down. You know if you do nothing for me now. I did other thing I don't show on a live broadcast get them for Bamuso. Where they go remember for they tell me say do I go meet up my old man, they will kill my this, they do this. I just a petit frère. You know you do some person if you do am for you times 3. I beg this petit frère go start. Just record video, do am, send am for me where they do. If a human being, if your family survive, they change my name. I mean say no, from the grassroots where resemble you, small link with you, petit frère. You know say when train don't miss track. Before you want call a disaster, they understand. You know if you pass. That is the truth. You know pass. And then talk to me, they know. Ike could know me. Ike could pikin. Ike could know me say I know A to Z. Even for Nigeria, you make me a vex and go to Nigeria, wipe all the things that will resemble you. Even number who. If you do it, first time you call me, the say petit frère, I beg. I be asking say, could you call me petit frère? So you are petit frère, don't curse you. Say petit frère, I beg. You know, say my man, blah blah blah, more story. You are the story with you terrorists. Nigeria man, like you can't inflict pain for people they die every day for ground. You say me a story with you, my friend. You my brother. You see the man in fear. Now my face, and my name this. I don't tell you say you elite, don't even know you. I don't use my voice, my name, my face. I dey for front, you hide for back. You don't need for fear. Now me use my face, my name, no sabi you. More end this thing. You don't make we don't be in that kind of way. More end them no, more be that kind of way too. We man don't bad no. We don't no spoil. We don't no crash. We don't press spoil me spoil all. That's the reality. You don't spoil no. You don't crash. As it is crash to chat. If it is crash, chat for CD. It is crash show where one play for your DVD. The highest you go down, we don't broken no. That picking the road is crash. We don't even press spoil. Make all thing end. With the waiter will press that button and waiting. Now second or time he end. Me and they fear me some person. They think them waiting. They know fine when they hear Saturday go they run. They know fine. We don't need for stress. We don't need for tell our thing for down. We not call home talk for behind. The word for a while is sufficient. I thank you very much. I'm just can't tell all these things the reality. And we don't get the people the way they go do the atrocity. After the live broadcast, we go sunshine, post their picture on air, type and for them, make they see the real terrorists there, where they do them. So that go under. And don't forget, I want to show you again fine. Now in this. Now the food that we go kill that delegate them. And any parliamentarian where you know she don't quiet, seen from the murder of that delegate, it means say that man you kill that delegate. Any big man, any man where she don't quiet, how they kill that young innocent delegate, it means say now you kill it. You worse when you know if you talk. So you condemn that act. And the same when I say Corribo says separatists. Who are separatists? Who be separatists? Those boys are terrorists. For cash man to cut it to pap, now wait that. Is that not terrorism? For catch Amber boy, put him for down, Amber cut his head, now wait that. Chacha cat 39 beginning, people are 39 youth. People, I mean say, one beginning my age. Man just carry him, go waste the life. You know what I mean? Man catch 39, he wipe and down, you say separatists. It's a disgrace. When I see a news organ them, see how TV you are calling those boys separatists. Is that normal? It's a shameful something. It's a disgrace. Those guys are terrorists. Now because when I pet them, that is why they will do more evil. As when I pet them. Time don't pass to pet that boys. Those boys will not get conscience. Maybe I tell them 5 months a year. You don't get conscience. Don't forget I know them A to Z. You don't get conscience. You don't get friend. You don't get sister. You don't get brother. Maybe I tell you, if you catch your own brother, he colleague versus colleague, them they wipe themselves off, and then you will be just normal random civilian for quarter where they go get more 200, 300. They will see go sorry, my brother, my sister. Now say you hate so, you know they fine. You hate so no, you don't shake for inside. Those guys are a very bad boy there. We need to end the thing that we are prepared. So I thank you very much. Now press on a share button. So I don't get that little information. This part say I did very busy. I thank for the viewers them and now the foodies. Now in that again, now look and find. Now in that, I must show that one more time again. Now in that. Now the foodies. I want me to tell you to take notes. That the foodies. I carry my research. Money they sleep. Una fit see how e fine for we forget the communication on ground. I wan tell you, Patrick, you know why give me the picture? Na 10 kobo give me the picture. Ma tell you. 10 kobo, ask 10 kobo say, they wey he kidnap everybody I call, he talk say wetin. He tell me say, oh boy, 10 kobo come in now, oh, he come in say, pa. He say, oh boy, I say, yeah. He say, oh boy, no be na me I kidnap that man. He fear for tell me. I say, 10 kobo, no forget say me I know what you will you. If na you do that thing, petit frère, you don't mash boy, you don't mash poison. I mean, you don't buy market, but you must take am. You know if you go buy phone, they want give you the phone, you not take am, you must take that phone wey you buy am. You buy am now. You don't price market now. You don't pay money now. You go collect the phone. That's what I tell you. He say, oh boy, no be na me. You want be 2-day movie video to make noise. Arata. But take us a free masha. Petit frère 10 kobo, if you spare your name. Illiterate man like you say the free masha. I mean, you know what to be free masha. If you define the free masha, una get many free masha in another country. You just see the stupidity and stupidness. You should be free masha. You get 3-4 eye of them for your corner. You should be free masha. He can go to the fire for kill you. You I can go any jam if go kill him. That's the truth. Now you say a rat. You be free masha. He can go na free masha. No pity na free masha. Oliver Lekiaka na free masha. How many free masha for one dirty country? We no get for Facebook. More look am. I want just talk of the partner ending live broadcast. So man they talk say dialogue. I want ask you say when you are talking about dialogue, you don't talk the way forward for disarm those guys. I don't ask you a question. You don't talk say dialogue. You don't talk of the idea say how you go fit for disarm those boys and for bush, take that gun there for their hand back. You know fit. So if you say if you give 10 kobo how much? More be sincere, more be realistic. More follow the reality. If you give how much? For 1 month, that prevent earn no less than 20 something million to 50 million for your account for every month. Maybe I ask you something to watch me now. If you give how much job you got. So when I talk say dialogue, you don't talk of how if you disarm those guys on ground. You don't think of the idea. You want to tell a person carry gun for your hand. You know why if you think of how you disarm me. Make me tell you the truth. Even they give Amazonian country, those guys they will not drop their gun. I don't play on one video where some fool one and Lambert on a waiting for Manfe. It talks about it. It's a make diaspora know say if they fight they get the country, they go buy that country for their hand. You know what that word mean? It means they no go ever drop the gun. It means as if they fight so when they finish fight as for your own mentality, say it get independent, they separate Cameroon, they give their own Amazonian country. It means say that very country they don't fight, they carry that boy there for bush. It no go ever surrender. It means wait, diaspora will come buy the country for their hand. When me say wait, they will see the possession of those arms, they will see the kill people, they will see the murder people. Because say wait, they get for buy that country for their hand. If a young man use that kind of what they for bush, I think say wait, you will hear them. They not get no use that for wipe all the body, make peace come. They not be important past you to watch me in your own life. They not be important that small people go shoot them for Kumba for school. Most people that not picking there for school. If you be there, I want you tomorrow where they watch me. You, Elik, where you there for Northwest or West. As I said, in 2 years' time, they are property where the protector, it will still be the answer I know. But if we join hand together, you know go spend a dime, but that property will be safe in the infinity. That's the reality. So that is what talk say disarm, blah blah blah. I just look on a social media, I just laugh me. It be funny me, oh. It be funny me. If I see some kind of mango shit on for TV station, say we are dialogue, we need to dialogue, we need to do this, we need to... Mostly the lawyer don't active people, that then they send people and they go carry body boy. You don't talk of how you move that go for here. Look am. Ikeku no will ever surrender. If Ikeku will surrender, they'll see Kiri. You're gonna bad boy. Ikeku no be a human being live. The level of rate of evil whether body they inside, you know if you go turn back. It's only for continue to do the evil that they go them. Muna hear very well. Yeah, fine. The level whether body they now, as I will talk so. The atrocity they don't commit now, they will never turn back. Because they know say if they turn back, some people they will be gonna cut their head. Because what they don't do. And the only way When they feel only leave. Now for continue to do that evil, just go in front. And we too know have one hand, look at it, we need to wipe them in the case end. That is a reality. So I want to make you understand that if you think of Seweti, say you want dialogue where you never think of disarming those speaking them, you will waste your time. Disarming, not a peaceful way. We get two strategies by power, by force. I tell you, I'm say he want achieve independence. He must kill people. Which one achieve peace? We must spray blood. I mean, say people they must lose their life for that peace to come back for the country. Now than that Amber they must die for peace to come. That boy of Bush they must die for peace to come. That is the truth. The key spirit also not between don't take over. What are we in our body colleague and that? They say perpetuate evil again for ground. We don't need for the romance them. We need to wipe them. They'll catch my small girl picking. Say follow Amin. You go take it, you cut the head. You catch small girl, you rape her. Your own sister. They say they fight for independence. My brother Massa una check sense. It's not too much, Massa. Say your brother. I'm a no girlfriend. Your brother now. He pass up that my brother don't kill him. So I'll just end the live broadcast. I don't want to talk me plenty. So I'm just have capture information out there. So I thank you very much for the support and everything for press and share button. So I don't send a message out there for our Elix. We do wait for a response. Yes. We did at a lot to wait for a response. So I thank you very much. Anytime you can join me, any person press and share button. But we'll play two anthems. Before one go, may I play the anthem we will bad the food that belly.
Hail, hail, hail the Kumkumasa. We the Cameroonians, we pledge our loyalty. Kumkumasa, Kumkumasa, you shall free our country from terror. And your blessing shall be like the stars above. The Most High God shall be your guide.
Yes, the Most High God will be our guide. Now, what will do the best thing? There is a statement the way I like when some people talk about God. I want to just emphasize, I want to just digress on this small, but don't finish the very information center we find. They be called Jesus Christ the Lion of Judah. You know, call it the fowl of Judah. Lion are one of the smallest animals. It's small for forest. Elephant get skin passing. They don't call it elephant of Judah. You know what I call it, Lion of Judah. Let me tell you something. Before you want to become somebody in life, before you want to help your people, a leader, you must have a lion heart. You must do it, you get a lion heart. You know what some people don't pass through before they for the play. What you start out talk to them. That they mind that lion heart. And not Balondo people as a lion. But I don't get a chicken heart. A Hontian, three picking them three. Chai! Wait. Balondo man say, oh wait. Away. 3-eye arata. Hold a captive. Make una live life miserable. Hey. But she don't know. I look the boy for Shang. That is why me I talk. I look and say no. Man is not clean the house. I don't clean my house. So my Bamuso subdivision is my born and bred subdivision. My village will know I'm fine. They call it in as my maternity village. They call it my maternity village. My second village. But I don't just start for clean my house. For tell us I'll be serious. The few one that they come for grab, tell them who her. Look, I guess squat for down there. I don't need for hearing. I guess on crazy one the way. The other commander just surrender there for a few minutes. They tell me say done. I say they come to repair. I say yeah. Say repair they lie. You know. I swear to God no. You see me? Any day. What do you say? Any man pass, I go finish it. I'm say the few one that they come on come. Mopao and the rest they come on come for down. That periphery no play. He said door. I said wait. He said door. You go hear news. I said periphery. He said repair. Me and then so and I tell my mind. I want to go enjoy my village. But see that rat there, remember that village, so no one give up now. I will wipe all them. After that, he said, just here. He said, just wait. He said, you're here, man. He said, you're here, and I said, petit frère, are they behind you? Any place where you type, you call my phone. And they for your road. You don't make 2 days. The thing they sleep for that straight, all thing end. That remember one, I will say, if they tell something, he said, pass it over my son, he'll tell say, we go punish you. But I say, man, I don't know what to do. The stupid and the wicked. And I want to make a game one understand. Me, I don't get no problem with no man. I don't get problem with Amber Boy. I don't get personal problem with them. No. If I get personal problem with them, I don't know if it's already come to me or story and they help them. I don't know if they help no man, but I get problem with them. You know very well. But my only problem now, una atrocity that they commit, una action them, that make me at the vex. That's my only problem. That for go catch the papa, you cut your head. You do the one, you do kind evil. You stop economic activities where they help our people. Them, they are suffering every day. They make money go be a house in Nigeria. Sponsor woman there with her. She don't want them to get the 500,000 they go plat head. But they get what they do on a corner, they work on every day. You need to get 5 francs. That is my problem. If we not go stop on atrocity, then me I no get me problem una. You no will ever see me a cat of una. No one day. And again, I want to make a man understand the part. I just call the part last. Me, I not ever decide to do activism. Now una find me, una tell me so una want kill me. Me, I be doing a waiting, no nothing. Una tell me because I live una. That only my crime that a mediator on your Mokube carry my picture, send up for the whole site from Southwest right from Northwest. Baby, no say no matter how well you did, any man get man will like her. Send my picture of a corner, other mountain lion one day, or other group there for this so all say anytime when me I come out, I go Kumba for go stroll, come up with go scroll, when they see me say motor, when they catch me. Luckily, say I got to do one thing them, and because they get me no bad intention, no man. My mind was free. I just dare me. I want just see one representative call my phone. He say, "Oh boy," I say, "Yeah." He say, "Master, something there." I say, "Wait." He tell me so. You know, don't send a picture for us. I say, "More wait to forward anytime one kappa." When me I don't get me people, I me quiet. I call on Yori. I saw Yori. I don't want even chop. I put my child one chop on Yori. Go to call my phone. Threatening my life. I saw Yori threatening me. We have to undo and do. I said, okay, since we don't define me, I don't become now our worst enemy. You are the one end my life, I the one do things. Okay, no problem. Me too, I will fight back. Yes, I decide. You know, make 2 days I take that on Yori. How many days we wipe that food then when they keep make their noise? He send people they ride for boya for black and white while they drink. Say me they can't shoot me. The two people they can't also be the wise man to go see them road. I look the food as a petit frère. When I don't hear the story, they know life. They know that they talk. I spare their life. That's a petit frère. When I go back, when I over small for my front. Go tell my say on I say no. Me. I don't get problems. But anyone want to take a personally, I be prepared to take a personally with the person. Any picking when my born fine, start for me cake for wishman, what I be whosoever. If you want to take it personally, me I be prepared now, any day, any time, any second, any time of clothing, I'm prepared. Most see why I go stay for the next 22 hours. You change my name. It's a name Clovis. I swear to God. You don't know very well what I do. If you can first of all, enter a phone, you come and you start begging me. So you beg. You know what I do, man. No carry me, man. Do I take me? I don't need for carry me. You can me one. I take AK enter. We can finish with you. I don't need no man for follow me for my back because me need to go waste time. Me one, no, so you don't go down. I don't go wait to bombard Bubele. They are girlfriend where Obi the ass for day. They are small girlfriend. I know how to the pass. In fact, man, every talk plenty self. So, my play a beautiful anthem. We end the live broadcast. So I thank everybody. Don't press share, like, follow. They even on YouTube. We'll download them. If you contribute, we'll download and send them to us. I'll send them to for this side too. So that I press on the share button. I thank you very much. We know very well. We don't forget say me. I don't go a code. I want show like game when I say we are ready. The elixir we don't start and we are ready. We need una support. More finish all team. I want to show like game when I say we are ready. Always to do that when I need little support. We are ready. See what I wrote there now. So now press on the share button. Always to tell people no, I go to kidnap papa them. Keep people the night. Don't fight that.